So in this Photopea tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the hand tool here in Photopea. So what the hand tool basically does is it's going to allow you to move around your screen without actually touching or really removing anything. So if I were just to move this thing right here, I can hold on the middle of this logo or on this photo. It just drags the photo up or down. So I wanted to just move around on the screen. Perhaps I wanted to view this lower part in a little bit more detail, which you can do is go to the left hand side of your screen, scroll all the way down to where you come across this hand icon. This of course is the hand tool, and if you press on the hand tool and I want to press on the middle of the thing, it's actually just going to drag me to where I want it to go. So I can move this up, I can move this down wherever you really want, and if you unpress it and do the exact same thing right here, you're just moving the photo up and down while the frame remains the same. So pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can use the hand tool here in Photopea. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.